Hey guys, Little Big Vlogs here again. We're out on another little adventure today and we're down to Stanborough Lakes at Winnegan City. We've come down to see the cars. It's the classic car show and bring your own cars really, so it's not just classics. A lot of people bring their own cars, some new ones they've done up and things like that. So I'm here with the kids today and with Annabelle. They're too interested in running around looking at the ducks at the moment, so you'll see them in a minute. But right, we'll see you soon. So we're on the field at Stanborough now, and we're looking at a few of the cars. First car I come across, as per usual. Eleanor, there she is. As soon as I walked through the gates, there she was. Again, absolutely stunning. You lot are going to get fed up with me soon, because all you're ever going to see is this car. There you go. And the guy restored it. Look at that, there it is. Turned it from that into this. I don't know if the camera's picking it up properly, but it is immaculate. It is shining. Left-hand drive, automatic shift. Honda Civic. Type R, no matter where you go, there's always a Type R somewhere. Yes, I had one of these. I've had two of these. First one was a 1.6 and then we stripped it down, pulled the engine out, changed the shift on it and turned it into a 1.9. That was only because I blew the engine up in the first place, but Jesus, it's clean. Struggle to get those parts now though. And I paid £500 for mine back in the day, and it was a D plate and it only had 32,000 miles on the clock. If only I still had that now. Typical saying though, isn't it? If only I knew then what I know now. They've turned the Amiga into a Thunderbird 2.
Oh, look at the Ghostbusters! I can't believe
Thunderbirds. And we've got Ghostbusters. Oh my god, the time and effort people have put into these. Camaro. This is my kind of car, this sort of thing. Can't go wrong with an American muscle. Well, probably could if you didn't know how to drive properly, but
I love that.
there you go. The old beach buggy.
Beach buggy, I think.
Something like that, yeah. Just take that to America with us and go down through Miami.
Look at that!
If you do go to work, you can get one of those.
Oh my god, look at the car.
Could I see you driving one of these?
Yes.
Yes, I could see you driving one of these, babes. I'll get you a Corvette. Yeah, you get me a Mustang, I'll get you a Corvette. Oh, look at that. Stunning. Beautiful colour as well. Not normally the colour I would choose, but Jesus, it is absolutely stunning. Everyone likes a low rider. Pearlescent purple as well, that was sparkle in it.
Why did your head fall there?
Proper bench seats in it. Jesus, that exhaust is literally touching the floor.
Drinking perfume and I'm speaking to mirrors, howling and moons while the worst and the worst that gets. You can have the whole world on the spot. Do you think it lacks?
The one reason why I've come up here today is to see my friend Andrew, aka Clunk. Say hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
This guy here owns the one car in the world that I've come up here specifically to look for. It's well, it's hard to find, put it that way, and it's a spectacular to see. So, Andy, Clunk, show us around your car.
No.
So what we've got is we have got the Seat, and it was professionally painted this morning with what?
Yesterday with roller and paint.
Roller and paint, there you go, look at that.
It's amazing.
The vents on it.
Somebody spilled cake on it already.
And somebody spilt cake on it already, look. Show us the horn though, you've got a spectacular horn on this, haven't you?
If you can hear it.
If I can hear it, that is. Let's have a look, see if we can hear his horn. Andy? Impressive, man, impressive. And as you can see, it's also a rolling barbecue.
She's a beaut.
Well, thank you for showing us around your car. So where's this car going in?
Scrapyard.
Oh, it's not going to the scrapyard. It's going
Nürburgring next year.
to the Nürburgring. So, there we go. The best car of the show. Thank you very much, Mr. Clunk, for showing us your car.
It's a really detailed engine.
Excellent. That's going to be it for today. So thank you for joining us at Little Big Vlogs, and stay tuned for more spectacular events and amazing looking cars like that. You will never see another one of them on the road. I don't think you'll see that one on the road for long either.
The best part of the car then.
Sorry, apparently we've forgotten the best part of the car. He wants to show us the engine.
Spent hours detailing this beast.
Hours of detail.
Power in this, look.
Look at that. Now that is a beast. Bonnet vents,
yeah.
bonnet vents. All the way through the farm, look. And there we have it. Best car of the show.